have to clean my bench. I feel like I make too much bench cleaning videos. It's okay though. I'll finish cleaning the bench. Then I'll show you what I got. I'm gonna turn it off now. And then I'll talk normal. Because sometimes making weird videos like this gets you people to click a like button. So if you're about to watch this video, click like, subscribe, and tell all your friends. Because I'm talking in a quiet voice. In a minute, I'm going to talk normal. So, stay tuned.
My next fancy video is this. This is Blue Corral. It is, I don't know if you can read that, but see the nice jar? It's a GM net weight, 2 ounces, trademark, General Motors approved, made in USA. Blue Corral preservative sealer. Blue Corral. See that? Bet you don't make that anymore. Check this out though. This is really cool. Full. Never used. It's got the... even got that nasty wax smell. Isn't that cool? Vintage. I like the color of the jar. Plus, wait, where's it this say? So you can read the ingredients on there. That's really cool. But yeah, it's like mint condition. Really nice. So I picked up that. That's another little thing. Automotive preservative. I'm going to make tiny little videos because not everybody wants to watch 4 million things in it. So next video is going to be something else.